All right, we're going to take a tour of the two-bedroom option. Same square footage. Ah, so you have more living space. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. This feels more open in this
Yes,
side.
because the kitchen is the open area.
Yeah.
That connect to the living room, so you feel maybe a little bit bigger.
Absolutely.
But actually, the same
Yeah.
the same area. Just only 88 square meter.
Okay.
All right.
88. Okay. Yeah, interesting.
Yes. Các bạn đã cung cấp được cái dòng đi
Okay, so this is the full bath here. Shower, and you got your waterfall shower head here. So you need a shower curtain, and that's fine. Interesting. Still got the 58-inch TV.
yeah, this one is just only 50
Okay.
so we can
Super nice. Well, this is look more open. As far as the work desk. That's what I was thinking about. Yeah. As far as having a work desk, workstation space. And here. Back. Okay, here we go. It's the third funnel.
feel free to take notes of other. Yeah.
We have the baking oven here as well, which is very rare. Beautiful fridge here.